Let there be light, and there was light. Okay, that's our little ritual. This is where we are being transparent. And of course, I'm sharing with you because we're about to break the law of silence. Of course, we need light to see what has been hidden in plain sight. We are not only just seeing what's in plain sight, we are digging deep. Okay, so okay, beautiful ignited souls. I am Crimey Queen, your partner in crime. Now you may be wondering what crime are we about to commit? Of course, because it does not sound too good. It seemed like it would be a crime for us to discover the things that we are discovering on this channel because no one else speaks of things like we do on here. And so I hope you appoint me as your partner in crime, meaning that you need to subscribe to my channel. Of course, like and subscribe and do all the things that makes us US United Souls. Why are we going to be United Souls? Because we are on this path of the fifth dimension, understanding that life is a journey. And of course, now we are on this direction of the new creation. Now, why am I feeling qualified to say that I am your partner in crime? Is because I'm coming from a Christian background. Of course, I have been baptized twice, actually, because I felt I really needed some absolution and, so the gods could recognize me, not realizing that the gods had been within me all along. They said, oh, God is everywhere, but not necessarily inside of you or something like that. Anyway, what I want to invite you is that you come on this journey with me where I decompact, deconstruct, decode the Bible in the sense of really giving us new meaning or fresh meaning through the eyes of numerology. Why numerology? Well, if you do the numerical value for numerology, it equals 55. 5 plus 5 is 10. That would be something like Adam, like hell, like Satan, like heaven. All these equal 10. But it's not just about that. We could tell you, for instance, 10 is masculine and feminine, and it's the seed for creation. Just to give you a little glimpse of this. It's easy to spot because it's like your 10 digits and one hand is more dominant than the other. Of course, that's it. Why do I feel qualified to do this? I feel really from having my awakening from pain of abuse of all sorts to self-discovery and self-worth and self-love, self-acceptance. This is something that I feel has exposed me to a range of experiences that gives me the confidence to do so. It is a sort of deliciousness that I just want to share with you. I like to use the word Kundalini awakening. When I had this, of course, that's what got me onto the path of publishing 2 volumes of The Crimson Light. And a whole heap of other lovely talents have just erupted, you could say. I'm just really trying to keep things in order, try not to tear myself apart with all the revelations that has been, exposed in my capabilities or my love or desires and things that have just seemed to be revealed in plain sight, like discovering the 14 gods in the Holy Bible of Genesis of chapter 1 and 2, which Christianity, for example, rests upon the same premise of numerology. Everything is numerology. It is the number 11 as with Jesus, or the number 5 as with Christ. Christianity have not taught us. 22 mirrors the word life in that sense of 23 because life equals 23. 2 plus 3 is 5, of course. We see that 5 is central to our transformation of realization, meaning know thyself. In fact, when we do the numerical values for know thyself, it equals 5. That's what we are meant to do. And through that, know the 14 goals that we are the embodiment of. And so it is there. It is there, just like in Hinduism, they revere the 14 gods. Each year they celebrate the 14 gods, but Christianity has the same, and I can show you. So do subscribe to this channel, do like, and put your comments, and it gives you an opportunity to actually pose questions. All of us have had questions that we have been wanting answers to, even more now, in our times. So why not join me, Crimey Queen, on this journey as we are moving into this new creation of the 5th dimension? Why not join us so we can know how to nourish ourselves, how to ignite the codes within us, because Christianity teaches us that you are the Word, and they are right about this. You are the Word, and Michael Jackson said, we are the people, all of that. But I can show you this. On this channel, we have also discovered why the Apocrypha was left out of the Bible. Now, of course, we all have been complaining about this. Why was it done? But of course, this is the reality we live in. But we found a mathematical construct that explains why. Okay, we also discovered the 369, revered by Nikola Tesla, that if you were to master the art of 369, or you could unlock the code to life itself. So I'm paraphrasing here. On this channel, we also discovered 369 is part of our construct and how it's embedded in our language, in the gift of language, how it applies to the sacrifice of Jesus. Or maybe we could say that the sacrifice of the story of Jesus Christ exemplifies how we can use the 369. Of course, and that is all to do with the language that we have been given. And most profoundly is the discovery that we are indeed language. We are the construct of the language, therefore the construct of the Bible itself. We also have understood, as we mentioned before, with the 14 gods, why 14? Of course, it's all about the 2 creations, perfectly mirroring the universe as in number 41. The word universe is 41. So why not join me, Crimey Queen, on this journey as we are moving into this new creation of the 5th dimension? Having said that, it's time for a tea break. So while we are doing that, we are breaking the law of silence and whatever else happens. But I subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you would be, of course, one of the first to, of course, delve in this wonderful tea time.